Welcome. For this lesson, I am in a new file. Make a new layer quickly to start our work. Use rectangle selection tool and make a selection here like this. Apply a particular color over here. Make another layer and add another selection, or just hold Ctrl+Shift+I to inverse this earlier selection and pour another color into it. This way you created your first kind of flat background. Now to up-level this one, I am quickly switching new colors to it, and let's add some textures to give it a more rich look. For this, use your brush tool and this time use a dry media brush. You can switch to different brush over here and paint with lower opacity on the walls to give it a firm, rough texture. You can see how it's building up. Switch brush to hard round pressure size and make linear texture to give the base a nice wood texture. And you can switch between different colors to add on the effect. Let's try another one by changing the background and adding polka dots texture over there. You can switch different colors and you can even go to a handmade feel or towards a very vector approach. For one more variation, which I will be making for a more handmade one, make a new layer and with any color of the base, select another color or any complementary color, switch to the brush tool, use this rough one here, and now sketch a shape like this. Paint it inside. With rectangle selection tool, make a selection, hit Ctrl+J to duplicate and adjust its placement using selection tool. Make another copy by Ctrl+J and make another one and place it closely. Make a pattern. You can see how it's coming up like this. Isn't it cool? This way we come up with 4 different background styles, which is very easy to start with. So switching to the next exclusive lesson for you, that's on creating accessory items to make your desserts and dishes feel special.